Hey guys, so today is going to be a fun video. I am going to Ikea, as you can tell by the title, and I'm so excited. I'm getting most likely just one piece of furniture for the guest room downstairs that my parents and I are turning into my beauty room slash studio, so that's exciting. And today's payday, so it's a good day. Also, really quickly, I just want to show you my new iPhone case. So it is this one. It's from Velvet Caviar. It's really pretty and it's super like thick, so it kind of makes me feel like I have a bigger phone again. I keep losing my voice, but yeah, I love it. And then I have my Manny pop socket on there. But yeah, so this is just my new case and I love it. It comes with like two pieces, so it comes with the guard and then the actual case itself. So yeah, definitely check out Velvet Caviar. They have a bunch of really cute fun phone cases, and I did get a second one. Let me show you. This is the other one. It's called the Cotton Candy Marble Case, and it has like velvet inside so it doesn't harm your phone. Those are my two new cases. I'm just going to finish getting ready and then we're gonna head over to Ikea, so I will see you then. Here, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can see yellow and blue. Finally.
You did good?
Annoying people on the highway. So quiet up here. I've never seen Ikea this quiet. Guys, welcome to my new room. I now have a huge canopy bed. I would like one of these.
The light goes on when you open it. How cool is that?
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this desk. These are like the strips that I got, but in white.
I really love those, by the way. They do look nice in white, don't they?
Here's the mirror that I have. Should see if they have it.
I got it.
You got the short, heavy one.
Oh, yours isn't, that one isn't heavy?
No. It's easier. Yours is like that much mirror.
I didn't even notice the difference.
This is what we're getting, but we're getting it in the white one. So I can put palettes and stuff. Not today, but that tabletop in white. And then I'm getting two of these in white. And then, where's the $4 one? That leg to go in the middle to support it. Check out the bright blue.
That's cool.
Food time. Food time. And there's our view. Going through the boring plates. Getting to the exciting stuff.
You get some lip cushions.
Put that in my vanity room. I mean my beauty room.
You should put that in there as well, the eye play.
Cutest cups with lipstick marks. Lipstick marks, and they're only $4 for a 2-pack.
Get them.
And then I want to get that, but obviously an A. This is the first thing we're getting. Now I just gotta get it from up there down there. Who says you need a man? Now the best part is packing it up. And it's snowing again. If you watch her vlog, you would know that it snowed last time.
Oh, look at the sun too above Ikea.
Okay. Hello! That's what it looks like. I'm trying to like show it where you can really, there you can see. Got a chair from Home Goods. Trying to open the chocolates. I went to Home Goods right there. Food. How do you even say that?
What?
Sotsex cum top.
Sounds appetizing.
How would you say it?
Is it omelets and stuff? Sotsex scum top.
Which version do you like better? They're good though. It's marshmallow inside of chocolate.
What's not to like?
Yeah. And then what I got is this chair from Home Goods. And then I got the cups with the lipsticks on it. Well, lipstick thing. I can't think, I'm too tired. And then this picture frame for my poster. And then the 2 pieces of furniture that we got, and Roxy's excited. Right? Are you gonna help me build it? So it is almost 9:30. I'm just starting to build things now just because we ate dinner. You can never open these boxes without it looking like this.
Every quarter broken down.
Such a good movie.
What do they think they are, thieves? Superman.
One shelf done. Gotta screw this one in. 4 more over there, and then the top one I'm gonna put the wall mount on there just so when I figure out where exactly I'm putting it, I can mount it up on the wall just so it doesn't tip over.
That's what I always say.
All done. Okay guys, so it is 10 to 11. I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I do have work tomorrow, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna get ready for bed and try to sleep, or at least relax. But I just wanted to quickly talk about something my dad and I are gonna do. Millie's staring at me. So basically for our guest room, I'm gonna turn the room into my beauty room slash beauty studio, so I can do makeup out of there rather than like freelancing and going to people's places. I can have them come here and get their makeup done, so I won't have to like lug all that stuff with me pretty much. So I wanted to get a huge vanity mirror with like all the lights around it, and I've been looking online all night last night and a few days ago, and a lot of them are $300 and up. Like the really big ones are $500 and up, and that's a lot. I'll show you like what I was looking at. So I was looking originally at Impressions Vanity. So I was pretty much looking at something like this. And that is one of their bigger ones. That one runs for, I think like 570 something. And it has the dimmer, it has Bluetooth and everything, which I don't need Bluetooth. I basically just wanted one that dims and has the 2 power outlets on the side so I can like do my hair and everything, or just charge my phone while I'm getting ready. Like this one too. See how big they are? Let's look at the price. Well, that one's a whole vanity. Like you get the vanity and the mirror, and that one's $1,100. Crazy. My dad was like, why don't you just make one? And I was like, I actually saw a bunch of like DIY videos on YouTube where they are building their own vanity mirror. So, and my dad already knows how to do that. Like he pretty much knows how to do everything, I feel like. So we did some planning out. So pretty much my inspiration is this. So you can see it has the white border. And this one is $479. So we calculated how much it's going to be roughly, and it's probably around $250, I'm hoping. So this is going to be an early Christmas present. I'm really excited to start building the studio downstairs, and because I only have 3 days of work next week, it's pretty slow in February, so next week I'm only working 3 days, so I'll have more time, and we are going to go to Home Depot to get the paint because we picked out 3 different colors that we wanted to try, and we put the samples on the wall, and they've been up there for probably a year now. So we're finally gonna go get the paint, and I'm gonna paint the room before we get all of the furniture, because then that's just gonna be a pain to cover everything and move it in the center of the room so we can paint. So yeah, we're gonna get the paint and do that next week, so I'm really excited. So I will definitely be vlogging that. This will be like a building my beauty studio kind of vlog, and then I'll probably put it in like a playlist, so if you don't watch these, or if you want to see like the process, you can just watch video after video. I already looked at a bunch of chairs that I looked on Amazon for different chairs for clients, so the chairs I think I'm gonna go with, at first I was just gonna get one, but there's a really good deal where I can get 2 chairs for $65, so they're just black, and they're bonded leather bar stools, so it'll be easy to clean them if makeup gets on there. Okay, so the table I'm getting is this one. It's super long. It is 78 3/4 long. So it's definitely a lot bigger than the vanity I have in my room right now, but it's perfect because, like I said, it's going to be my beauty studio as well. So I'm going to need tons of room to like put displays of tons of brushes and whatever else I'm going to put down there. I did look on Vistaprint for getting like a big banner that I can put, because obviously when I do clients' makeup, I'm going to take pictures to put on my Instagram, and I want it to have like my background with my name on it, so I'm definitely going to look into doing that. But yeah, so I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'll see you all next week.